Do you want me to cut your apples like I cut your pear? Do you want me to cut it thinly sliced? Your apples? You don't want apples, just pear? Okay. How about banana? Do you want banana? No? Okay. Yeah, ilang araw na niya hindi kinakain yung apple. Tapos yung strawberry, kinakain niya pero hindi niya nauubos. Pero ang dami ko kasi strawberry na nilalagay kasi paborito niya yun. Pinalitan ko na siya ng pear, yung strawberry. Tapos yung apple na papansin ko, hindi niya din ginagalaw na. Pero yung pear, ubos na ubos. So, 2 lunches in a row na ubos na ubos talaga yung pear niya. And I give her half a pear. So, that's pretty big. Hello, awake. I'm here, Baba. I slept already. Hello, boy. Do you wanna help mommy prepare Ate's breakfast or lunch? You want me to sleep? I can't sleep again. Do you wanna give mommy a hug? Hug? Okay. Do you wanna watch mommy? She wanted to come out. No, I felt like she wanted to come out. Because she was moving a lot. That's right, Anna. I'm putting the whole pear island. Upstairs, up. We're downstairs already, so we're gonna go up. Yeah, okay. Isla, do you want yogurt or Yakult? Lunch. Yakult again? Your Yakult? Yeah, okay. Go to your chair. I'll do your Yakult, okay? You don't want your Yakult? Do you want cereal? Do you want cereal? Same as Ate's? Okay. Ate, please drink a lot of water, Baba. Okay? You will drink all your water. That's good. Thank you. Cereal like Ate. So we use the parang keratin treatment.
After I got to store, Daddy looked at me. Dad, why yesterday you dropped my stick? This.
Oh, Daddy, she remembers. Why did yesterday you forgot his stickers?
Because my ear is broken.
So ano sabi ko? We use the keratin treatment yung pinagbibili namin sa Pinas. First time namin ginamit kagabi. Ang ganda ng buhok ni Ayla after. Kahit ngayon, oh. Parang bully
That's
wise.
the booty beast.
So what's playing tonight?
Yep. Port Power's playing tonight, Baba.
What is on tonight?
I want mommy.
I'm sorry. Why is it so tangled?
Why is so terrible?
I just said it's so beautifully here and it's tangled. What have you been doing?
I was jumping in the bed,
Jumping in the bed, that's right.
walking in the bed.
Walking and doing handstands.
Yeah.
Aren't you?
Yeah, and doing a handstand like Ori baby.
Like big girls.
Like
Are you a
Ori
big
baby.
girl? Are you a big girl, Ivy?
Is that what you're wearing to dinner tonight?
Are you doing this?
Is that what you're wearing to dinner tonight?
Today, lunch?
Oh, lunch? Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're driving, obviously. So you're not drinking.
No.
Mom, you have to pick me up. You have to pick me up.
Wait, Nana's picking you up.
What should you pick me up?
Yeah, Daddy will. Daddy will drop you off.
What? Daddy got to work.
No, he's not going to work.
Why?
He's got lunch.
Why? And sit down to lunch.
Yes.
But I'm not going to lunch.
Huh? It's him and his cousins. No girls allowed. I'm not going. I can't go.
Hello.
Arlo can't go because he's a boy. He's a baby boy. This is for adults.
What?
Like Uncle Rock. Uncle Rock's going.
What about Uncle Tristan?
Uncle Tristan's not going on this one.
Why?
It's just Daddy's cousins and brother. Uncle Rock. Beautiful cake. I love it.
But did they eat this?
Okay, you can finish. Just a little bit left. Look at you. Look at you.
Can I flip it over?
Up to you as long as you eat it. Beautiful girl.
Mom, look.
Oh, it smells really good as well.
Mommy Pig found this
So
thing.
you're coming back after you're done.
This is
I'll
the
take the
stuff.
car and I'll come back.
Mommy.
Kainin natin ito. Binili ito ni Dan nung Wednesday. Hindi ko nakain kasi ang dami kong kailangan ubusin. But he got this from the Long Life Asian. This is gonna be our breakfast. And with my coffee today, I just did the regular coffee. Yung cappuccino mix ko from the coffee machine. Yung hot na version. And then naglagay lang ako ng condensed milk at saka ice. Yakult! Oh my gosh, show the guys your sunnies. Oh, look. Look at my glasses, guys. Yakult? I'll go get it. Okay. Or do you want milk? Yakult, 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 Yakult. Mama, dance? We're gonna do some walking today again with Mama? Alright? I love you, sunnies. Kiss Mama first. I love you. What do you say? Oh! Drinking first? I love you, eh? And kumain ako ng kaimito kagabi. Ang sarap. Hindi ko alam kung Bisaya lang yung kaimito. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung tawag sa iba, guys. But it's called milk fruit. Yung English niya, milk fruit. Ang sarap. Tatlo lang yung pinabili ko kay Dan. Sabi ko sa kanya, tatlo kung malalaki, 5 kung maliliit. Nalakihan na siya dyan. So, 3 lang yung binili niya. Sarap-sarap kagabi. Gusto ko pa nga magdalawa. Dapat ata initin to. No more Yakult. I can give you milk.
No, I put strawberry.
You want strawberry? Blue yogurt. I can give you that. So you know what? Today is the 13th of September. My due date is in 10 days. 23rd yung due date ko eh. With Arlo, I think Arlo was... His due date was 20-something din. But I remember with Arlo, what happened? I went on labor on the 13th and pinabreak namin yung water ko mga midnight para maborn siya ng 14. What? Naalala ko na naman tuloy yung TikTok na napanood ko. Tawa ako ng tawa. Kasi sabi, what they don't prepare you to being a parent is how much you have to get up from where you're sitting. At sabi ko, totoo talaga to. Yung kakaupo mo lang, tatayo ka na naman kasi may kailangan na naman yung bata.
Yeah.
Catch.
Yeah.
Catch. Oh. Ready? Who's that? Is that you? You're dancing. Oh, bum dance. A man of the household is in the car.
Doing the shopping.
So Friday today, si Kuya naglilinis. And buti na lang si Dan okay today, yung schedule niya. Nag-work lang siya sa car kanina. And then may lunch to mamaya. So we're going for a drive. We will do the shopping. So okay na kasi ako maglalakad-lakad. Nung naglaylo kasi ako from mga ganyan is nung na-engage na si baby tapos hindi pa ako full term. So sabi ko wag muna para di lumabas yung bata. So ngayon pwede na. Para lumabas na siya. Pero dahan-dahan lang. So doing shopping first?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's early. It's only 10:43. So we will do shopping and then mamaya magmamakas kami. Tagal na namin 'tong hindi nagawa ni Arlo. Kasi timing din si Kuya, pumupunta ng Sabado. Sabado, kasama ko si Dan. So, nadadrive ako ni Dan. Good boy. Yeah, he's gonna put seatbelt on. Can I sit there too? Just kidding.
Sure.
Can I? Will mommy fit here? I wanna sit there too. Gahanap ako ng pineapple juice. Walang pineapple juice. Wala, diba? They don't have it. Maybe not here. Take 2. Nasa kabilang aisle ako. Hindi yung sa fridge area. Pineapple juice. Ayun! Ang laki naman yan. Uy. Ayan, meron dyan sa taas at saka ito. Is that a T-Rex? Dinosaur ba yan si, Barney? Careful. Good job, Alo. Hop on. Sit down. Yeah, sit down here. You sit, he's here. Yeah. Good boy. Ah, such a good boy. You sitting? Mommy put seatbelt on. Seatbelt. Come on. Seatbelt. Sit properly. Hello. Umalis ko si Dan. Dinrap niya lang kami. Kasi kailangan niya pumunta sa kanyang lunch. I-put away ko lang itong mga to guys. Tapos patulugin ko na yung ating dudong. Tinuro-turo to ni Arlo kanina kasi gusto niya daw. Tapos hindi kinain. Batang bail. Tapos dinalawa ko na kasi 2 for something siya. Nakita ko to. Sabi ko parang gusto ko yan sa akin. Oh yes! Just wait. We have to wait. Sige, Mommy will skip it. Just 1 minute. Wala na sila ng Coles brand na probiotic, so we went for the Yakult brand. Alo loves this, guys. So, chocolate mousse. Dessert niya to. Gusto niya yung characters, tas gusto niya din yung lasa talaga. So, I went for pineapple and mango. Kasi kinuha ko na yung Coles na brand. Sabi nila, tsaka na brand yan ng juice. Ito daw. Tapos naka-sale din kasi ito. So, try natin. Gusto ko sana pineapple lang eh. I-mix natin ito sa drink natin mamaya. Patulugin ko lang muna si Arlo. Tulugin ko lang si Arlo, guys. Gawa tayo ng drink ko. Dito ko siya ititimpla kasi nasa dishwasher yung aking mason jar. Konti nito. That's raspberry leaf. cranberry juice, pineapple and mango juice, sparkling water, Carlos waking up. Nakapag-nap din ako. Mga 40 minutes. 30 to 40 minutes siguro. Yeah, that's much better. Okay na yung drink ko kahapon eh. Nakainom ako ng 2 mason jar nga ah. Pero ito, much better with this. Very good. Hello! Go to bed again? You want me to go to bed? Nana's coming! Nana and Papi! Do you wanna exercise? Do you wanna go for a walk?
No.
No? Go for a walk with Mama? Snack time! Tayong talaga nagsasnack. Masarap to guys. Hindi ko alam kung kasi buntis lang ako. But masarap siya. It has 12 snack packs. And nakakain na ako ng isa. Ito yung itsura niya. Oh, diba? Maganda to dalhin sa ano actually. Hospital bag. Go for it, Baba. Oh! Go, keep going. Nandito na si Ayla. Nakauwi na sila Nana. Nakapag-walking na kami. So, nag-walking kami just around the neighborhood. And now, we're eating. So, nandito pa yung ano, buto ng aking mangga na kailangan kong ubusin. May gloves ako dyan mamaya. Ayan, mangga ko. And then my drink as well. My drink is really good. I like it. See, ganyan lang siya. Oh, I love it. The kids are eating their snacks. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras yung darating si Daddy. But, uy, careful. Okay.
Let's go inside.
Inside?
Yeah.
Naka-4th hour outfit na kaming lahat.
That was nice.
Sure. This is cheese. Do you wanna dip it?
No.
Okay. Na, mauubos yung cracker ko sa inyo. Na. Yummy pa.
You want to have a bite?
Sabi niya sa kapatid niya, do you wanna have a bite? Do you want me to go in? Kayo, ang effort ko lumabas dito kasi gusto niyo sa labas. Ngayon naman, papapasukin niyo ako, hindi pa ako tapos kumain. Mga batang bail talaga kayo. Ang dami ko kailangan dalhin, oh. So what? Do you guys wanna stay inside or outside? You want cookies? Can you get it, Ella, in the pantry? Get Ella more cookies. I think the door should be closed, guys, because there's flies. You don't want fly inside the house. So close it. Ella, watch out. Sige, close it, ate. Good job, kids. Hello, guys. Daddy's home. Akala ko alas 4 siya pabalik. Pero 6 na siya nakauwi. Napahaba yung kanilang lunch date. And he got me my favorite nachos from Chachi. Mexican Cantina. First time ko mag-take away sa kanila. And ganito yung packaging nila. Tapos ang init pa. Sarap. I always choose chorizo for the meat because I love their chorizo there. So I asked for jalapenos. I don't see any jalapenos. My body feels exhausted. Like every chance I get, I have been stretching and walking a lot. So pagod na yung katawan ko. Nag-edit ako, nakatayo lang ako para ma-strengthen ang muscle natin dyan, tsaka para pag-push natin, kayang-kaya ng ating mga muscle dyan. You're a monster! That's good, thank you. I asked for jalapenos.
No jalapenos?
No, that's alright. I forgot it. How much?
$20.90.
The fish is sick.
Why does fish is sick?
I think the yellow one killed it.
Why the yellow one?
No, he was sick before he came in. Maybe he had something.
I can play Port Paradise.
Really?
Yeah, all by myself. I can play Port Paradise all by myself.
game, baby. It's not a game. It's something to watch.
I know it's something to watch.
It's not a game. You just watch it like footy. We'll watch footy tonight.
Mommy, what is this yucky thing?
Did you clean up?
Yeah.
She did? She did? Did you do it or Daddy did it?
Daddy did it.
You okay?
Daddy did it.
Ah, his fingers.
Bubble, wait, kids, take him.
Daddy did it. Daddy did it. Daddy did it.
You're supposed to be doing it, Baba.
And then Daddy just fold it in the towels.
Did you put the toys in a basket?
No. Daddy did it.
My drink is way better with that pineapple juice, my love. Do you think we'll win?
Yeah, I think so.
I think we've got a chance, to be honest with you.
Really?
Let's see. I would be happy or sad. Score is 75-71. We're winning. It's very close, and there's less than 2 minutes left.
Workman hitting the head, but it's not so full. It's Grimshaw, 50.
Oh!
Far away. Oh my God.
To give the Hawks the lead.
Missed it.
Puts it into the post.
1 minute, boys.
Oh my gosh.
Hold it. Hold it.
Come on.
Put me on.
Looking to try and get out. It's Grimshaw takes it for
No.
You should have marked it right clear.
Go, 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 go.
Hold it. Hold it. Take your time.
20 seconds.
We got it.
Oh!
and it's held up.
We got it.
He's held.
You sure?
Yeah, we got it.
We won! We won!
We have to Adelaide. Yes!
Yay! I love! Let's get a sing.
You're gonna have to take this off the feet.
Yeah. Because we won! Is it true or not?
Adam, bum dance up here. Bum dance up here. Come here, Indian bum dance. Okay, bum dance. Bum dance.
Top boy!
Bum dance.
Yay! Oh my gosh, so good!
Oh, he'll be so.